what's up and welcome back everybody. I'm back with another mukbang. And as you can see, we got some Subway here today. And first and foremost, shout out to Subway. Y'all see these new bags? Like, it's not the same plastic bags that they used to be. Upgrade for the new year. Yes, I'm feeling this bag. I'm loving that bag. So it's the new year, but the same old sub favorite. So let's get into it. Now y'all know Subway is my favorite. I love me a good Subway sub. And y'all, look at this. Look at this. Somebody take a look at this. I don't even think the camera does it any justice. Like, this bad boy is stuffed. I'm ready to go with my sub. I also got a bag of this Smart Food popcorn. I didn't get it from Subway. It came in my chip mix box that I ordered as like a free thing. So I guess I'll just try them out. I haven't tried it. It's the movie theater butter kind. Pour a couple of them out right here. Yeah. All right. I'll let you have the first bite, friend. Whew. Y'all, Subway is superior with the veggies. Like, it's always going to be the veggies for me. Popcorn's not bad, actually. It's light, it's airy, it's crisp. It don't taste exactly like movie theater butter popcorn, but it's like the lighter, healthier option. Now for my drink today, I got Sprite. No ginger ale. I'm all out, but that's okay. Okay, Sprite. I'm bringing in the new year with the burps. The veggies are so crisp and fresh. But how are y'all doing today? I hope everything is going alright. If not, I hope it gets better for you. It's the new year. Anyways, I'm doing good. We are starting off this year of Subway subs with the Italian BMT. I think it's BMT. Yeah, it has pepperoni, salami, and ham on it. And American cheese, or whatever cheese you prefer. And then I loaded it up with veggies. There's lettuce, there's spinach, there's green pepper, excuse me, olives, banana peppers, jalapenos, tomatoes, pickles, what else? Oil, mayo, salt, pepper, oregano, a line of mustard. And I think that's it. Yeah. I think that's all I got on here. I think so. I think I pretty much got everything except like cucumber and the onion. Oh, how could you not like Subway? This actually pairs really well together. It's like mildly, not even mildly, like there's hints of salt. It's light. I think that's what it is. I like that it's light and it pairs with the sub really, really well. Anyway. Like I said, I'm doing good. Currently, today wasn't too much of a big work day. It's more like pre-planning things that are coming up really soon. So back in November, we had an event called Funky Farms. It's a pretty big event. It's 2 days in Fort Worth. So if you're in that area, check it out. We have this event coming up again in March. It's every March and it's every November. And now I have to start planning again for the one in March because, you know, time goes fast. And when I say this event is huge, it's huge. It's a free event. And like I said, it's 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, from like, I think Saturday is like 10 to 5. And I want to say Sunday is like 11 to 4. It's free. I think the only thing you have, the admission is free. You just have to pay for parking because it's down by like the Dickies Arena. I think it's the Dickies Arena. Look, y'all, I'm still not good with places, but this is our biggest event of the year. All right, Funky Finds in March and November. And I didn't realize how short of a time span it is from November to March, y'all. March to November, there's months in between, but November to March is a very short time frame. So yeah, I'm taking a day to plan out the cookies we're gonna have, the number of each cookie we're gonna have, our setup, and how I wanna like start doing promotions and everything. Y'all, it's huge. Huge for me in a way that for November, I was 30 hours of baking. Just baking. I didn't even count the time it actually take to make cookie dough. But to bake the cookie dough, was 30 hours of baking. Straight baking. That's it. That doesn't include time to package. That doesn't include time to sticker and label. And that doesn't include time to pack it up. Like, people be thinking this is a game. Like, if I really sat down and counted out all the time it takes me to do stuff, they be like, why your prices so high? This is gourmet. Gourmet takes time. And just 30 hours alone of just bake time. 5 categories. I only counted the time for just one, and that's baking time. 30 hours alone of baking time. Mind you, we have 9 to 10 cookies on the table at once. So that's 9 to 10 different cookie dough flavors we gotta make. So that's at least what? I don't know. Our numbers range. The very first time we did the event, we did 1,000 cookies. And from there, we've kind of just been increasing the numbers. But y'all, 30 hours of bake time this past November alone. Just bake time. I ain't gonna lie, this lunch is putting me in a coma. Just doing some planning to see how we gonna execute this time. I don't know. I want a new setup. Maybe to add some stuff to make our spot stand out a little bit more. This popcorn is bomb. I was kind of skeptical at first, but dang, that's it. That's it, y'all. Oh, excuse me. So besides the Funky Moms event, there's just other little stuff like registering for upcoming farmers markets, which are going to start back in March or April. And scouting out any other events for the summer. The summer gets super busy and it's super hot. So the more you be praying, the better you be. Cause whoo, maybe this past summer, when I tell y'all we was all over the place, we were all over the place. Like, again, it was our first summer doing everything, and but as much as I try to plan stuff, I'm really just going with the flow. Wherever this takes us, I'm gonna go. And I was like, I'm blessed, y'all. Blessed and highly favored, because baby, I be having random people reach out, be like, oh, can you guys make this event? And we're just like, sorry, we're kind of already booked for that day. And it makes me feel bad. It truly makes me feel bad, because there's vendors, not vendors, but there's hosts we started working with last year that we have not had a chance to get back to do one of their events, mostly because I'm pre-booking stuff so far in advance. Like farmers markets, we can pre-book them so far in advance. So yeah, like mind you, I just said I'm planning stuff for March, so that's how far we be booked up, like already March, April, so that when February, March comes, I'm already got my whole summer booked and planned up. Like and then on top of that, there's certain hosts that I work with who at the beginning of the year, they release their schedule for the year. So there's one I work with and she does events like every other month. So for the rest of the year, I'm booked up with her every other month. That includes inner city events, traveling events. I'm already booked up. So y'all, I be feeling bad. And it's like I'm already advertising the event that I'm gonna be there. So to cancel just to be at someone else's event, I'm not gonna do. So I don't know. I try to make time for everybody, especially the people who were there to help get us started. It's just so hard when you're pre-booking and planning. And it's like about time they release their scheduled dates, I'm like, I'm booked that day, I'm booked that day, I'm booked that day already. And we don't have the resources to do 2 different events at once yet. But we're gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on that. But this sub was bomb. I was hungry. Definitely a good way to start the year off with Subway. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. Oh, I am tired and satisfied. Yes. But I ain't gonna hold y'all any longer. Thank y'all for coming to watch me eat my little lunchy lunch while I did like a mini spiel rant. But again, Happy New Year, y'all, if y'all didn't catch the last video. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I am grateful for y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.